DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 4 earpiece and receiver module replacement guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at directfix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
For a more in-depth guide on how to disassemble your iPhone 4, refer to our iPhone 4 take-apart video. After you have removed the back cover, battery, and motherboard, you can remove the earpiece receiver module. Using your case opener tool, carefully pry the speaker up. It is held on with only a little bit of adhesive. Take your earpiece replacement and pull off the adhesive cover and place the new speaker. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.